my name is Kalyani. Welcome to my channel again. Wish you all a happy, prosperous new year. This is the first video of 2021 of mine, and I thought that let's do a soft and glamorous look today. So I have selected to do a nude and soft glamorous makeup tutorial. This particular tutorial is very easy, and I thought that because it's the beginning of the year, so let's do something soft and delicate. This kind of look can be done very easily for any office going people, or even if you are just going for a brunch or for meeting some friends, or if you're just getting bored at home and want to pamper yourself, then why not try this look? Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so as a first basic step, I have already moisturized my face with my favorite L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Antioxidant Moisturizer. Today for my lips, I'm using something new, which is the Bees Wax in mango flavor. So I'm done with the basic preparation. For the foundation today, I'm going with two products. One is the L'Oreal True Match and the other one is Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Makeup. So I'm going to combine this both and apply on my face, and before I do that, I'm going to use a little shimmer. This is the one Sephora Illuminizer, which I've used in my previous videos also, and this really gives a very good result. So let's get started. So now it's the time for the foundation. I'm going to mix these two. Watching my video for the very first time, you'll realize that I'm someone who loves putting the foundation with the fingers, because it not only gives me the full coverage, but it also gives me the freedom to move my fingers the way I want, and it's literally very comfortable for me. So yes, I'm done with the application of foundation now, and I'm going to apply the concealer, and for that I'm using today the Maybelline Dual Stick. This is the one. I'm going to use this on my little darkened areas which are under my eyes. And upper lips, and also on my eyelids. Okay. And I'm just gonna blend it with the brush. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to use my Lakme 9 to 5 Compact just to set everything. Okay guys, now I'm going to use the highlighter a bit just to highlight couple of areas of my face, and for that I'm again using the same Maybelline Dual V Stick, and this is little darker shade. I'm just gonna highlight couple of areas. Okay, now guys, let's just blend it properly. Okay guys, so now I'm going to highlight a couple of areas of my face, and for that I'm using the MAC Illuminizer. For blush today, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild palette. This is the one, and I'm going to go ahead with this shade. This one. I don't know what is it. No, I don't know what's the name, but I'm gonna go with this. Okay guys, now I'm done with the blush and I'm going to do the eye makeup right now. For that, I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild again, which is known as the Bare Necessities color. What I'm going to use is the second one. This is the one because this is literally light in shade. So guys, the second shade what I'm going to use today for the eyeshadow is this one. I hope you're able to see. Again, this is the light color and when you blend it, it really looks nice. So that's it. I'm not going to put any more eyeshadow. This is it. Now I'm going to do my brows, and for that I'm using this eyebrow pencil from SD Host. This is in brown shade. If you want, you can go for the black one as well, but I love the brown one. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows now, and now I'm just going to highlight the areas under my brows and on my upper eyelids, and for that I'm again using the MAC Mineralizer. Eyeliner today, I'm going to use this Lakme Insta eyeliner. I just love the way they have made this. The liquid consistency is really good, and so is the brush, and this is the easiest when it comes to applying the eyeliner with less time. However, the only issue with this is that it doesn't get dry so easily. It literally takes little time, which I am okay with because I want a right consistency, so I'll go with this today. Okay guys, I'm done with the eyeliner, and for kajal, I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Eye Kajal. So let's start applying it. So I'm going to use it on my lower waterline first. As you can see, I have applied it on my lower waterline. I have also applied it on my on area below lower waterline because my eyes are very small and I really want to show it big, and this is one of the best way when you can use a little bit of more kajal and enhance the size. I really like this kajal, so I've applied it a little bit more, and this is how it looks. And now it's time for some mascara. So for mascara today, I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic mascara. This is the curling one, and this is actually very good. So guys, I'm done with my mascara, but as I have mentioned to you earlier that this particular eyeliner, it takes really a lot of time to get dry. So I think I have a spot on my upper eyelid, just on the crease of the eye. So I'm going to cover it with some eyeshadow. Gonna dab some from the palette and very gently I'm gonna cover. Before we finish this look, I have something more to add on to. This is the La Amour Shiner. So wherever you add it on your face, it's just going to give you some extra glaze and shine, and I'm using it today because I want to show extra shine but not very deep and dark color. So let's just start using it. I love this product so much that at times I just apply a basic moisturizer and this shimmer. Not exactly a shimmer, but it just add a little bit shine to your face, and then I'm just good to go. It's like that easy and that good. Okay, now I think I'm gonna just highlight the inner corner of my eyes with again MAC Illuminizer. Last but not the least, I'm going to use this lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5, and the shade name is Coffee Command. So let's get started. So guys, this is the complete look after the, and as you can see that all the colors, all the shades what I have used are nude or very soft in nature. So this is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.